Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. 1st of December, Christmas going around very quickly, but that's not stopping customers spending money, which is brilliant. Thank you very much to all our previous customers, existing customers, and customers going forward. I'm going to talk about M3s today. It's nice to see actually an M3 come in, not an M3 competition pack, not an M4 competition pack, not a CS. This is an early car. It's a nice transformation. You know, this looks pretty good on the 19-inch wheels. I do like the 20-inch wheels to put on the competitions, but it's nice to see one of these come. A bit of an OG, if you like. But customer wanted it a bit more modern looking, I guess, if you like, a bit more like the 2019, 2018 cars that came out. So, carbon CS style front, carbon CS style rear spoiler, carbon rear diffuser, side blades look perfect. We had the grills replaced from the chrome to the black. It's a bit of a must, really. Even though the fact it's not a competition, it just brings it a bit more up to date. And of course, it's sitting on our Motech Stance springs. 20mm drop front and rear on this setup, 15mm rear space from the back of these. On the M3s, you're going to run a 15, on the M4s, just 20. This suspension setup is perfect. We also do the I-backs, which is slightly higher. It's a 15 front and a 5 rear, but this is just a really aggressive sort of squat look. I really like it. Yeah, again, 15mm space from the back, 12 on the front. Perfect. Just let us know what you think of this one. And then we've got some more really exciting vlogs coming up very soon on some very different things. So please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and continue to support us. Hoodies are available, key rings, any of that sort of stuff. It really does help. And also, please comment down below if you like this format of these sort of 3-4 minute vlogs. But anyway, also, what do you think of the car? Thanks for watching.